Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. This is FX Ninja. Before you can see a very powerful setup which we have been using for the past 2 months now, and the consistency has been very great. So we tend to make it public and let you guys and let every trader out there know that there is a system that you can use to profit very well from the market. Yes. Now I'll be introducing this interface to you right now, and you see what it holds. Over here, this is the main indicator. This is the main indicator that tells us what to expect from the market. So this is the main indicator. If you look inside this dashboard, you will see main bias, which says up square, then cycle, up arrow. Then the phase we are now is the expansion phase, which is the very phase we want to trade. And it says circle maker, second dot buy. So now what this is telling us majorly is that the main bias of this 75S is uptrend. Yes, even though you might be looking at the chart and the chart looks selly, but what we have been need to understand is that the major bias of this B75S is a buy trade. So majorly, if you want to take any trade at all, you have to wait for this very arrow, okay, to tell you to buy. And you also see a confirmation entry here from here. So you have a double confirmation. As you can see, you have an arrow and you also have another indicator here telling you a buy entry, and also you can see there is a zone here, so which is the reason for this. If you are buying from here, if you observe very well over here, you will see green dotted line. This green dotted line is the line that is telling you this is take profit. You can see the take profit from here, 66.25.73. that is the take profit, and the stop loss is over here. You can see this is the SL line. So this indicator is very complete. So it gives you your entry, okay, which is from this buy arrow. It gives you the stop loss, and it also gives you what? The take profit. So, and you want to make sure that you are trading the expansion phase, okay. There are times the markets will retrace, okay. If you look at this V10S, the major bias or the main bias is what? Is sell. So anything that has to do with a buy signal, you want to ignore it. The only signal you want to take is a sell signal. So peradventure price is retracing here, and maybe it wants to retrace to this mitigation block over here, okay. It wants to retrace to this mitigation block over here, and we can now have a sell signal from here, okay. So that is what we are waiting for on V10S. So I will be doing much videos about this very setup, so that you can get yourself familiar, get yourself acquainted with it. So you can see this is a V25 also, all right, and price is selling right now, and of course we missed this entry. You can see we missed that entry. So but we can still go to the lower time frame and wait for a retracement. All right, we can go to the lower time frame, wait for a retracement, then we get another sell signal. As you can see from the main bias, it's a sell trend. It's a sell trend. So this arrow right now has it take profit. You can see the take profit line over here. That's it take profit. You can see the stop loss over here. So this has it take profit, but we will still wait till price touch this buy entry. So it will buy, it will retrace back, then we wait for another sell arrow. So still talking much about the system. You can see the past signals for buy over here. You can see it over here. You can see it over here. So that's how the system works, guys. We'll still be talking much about it. You know what to do is to get into our Telegram channel so that you can get yourself a copy of this system. So the our Telegram channel link is in the description of this very video, so you can get yourself a copy of the system, and boom, you can be profitable once again as a trader of synthetic indices. Mind you, this system also works on forex markets. We are going to be doing videos on that. It also works on crypto. It works on any asset at all. So thank you for watching our videos. Once again, I'm FX Ninja, and bye for now.